Welcome back to PC Error Detective, and in today's video, I'll show you how to get Discord user ID so you can easily copy the unique identification number of any account, including your own. Follow along carefully as I guide you step by step. For step 1, open Discord on your PC or mobile and log into your account. You must be signed in because user IDs are only visible when you are inside your account. For step 2, go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon next to your username on PC or tap your profile picture on mobile. This is where advanced options and developer features are found. For step 3, scroll down and find the Advanced section. Inside this section, turn on Developer Mode by tapping the switch. Developer Mode allows you to copy unique IDs for users, messages, and servers. For step 4, now go back to Discord and open the chat or server where the user is located. Right-click on their username on PC or long press on mobile to open more options. For step 5, select the option called Copy User ID. This will instantly copy the long numeric ID to your clipboard, which you can paste anywhere you need, such as reports or bots. For step 6, to get your own user ID, open your profile and use the same Copy User ID option on your account. Your user ID is permanent and does not change even if your username changes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.